What's good? Welcome back. Another video. Heading to the gym, and yeah, I think we're gonna do legs today again. So did a video recently on, you know, my leg routine, my leg day routine, and pretty much gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna go to the, you know, get warmed up. I'm not gonna, oh shoot, dude, shoot. Okay, yeah, love when my key fob falls between. I need to get a good keychain. I've just been rocking no keychain on this key fob for a long time now, so I gotta get that, so that when it does drop down there into the crack, it's easier to get. Anyways, heading to the gym. It's Monday. Hope you're, you know, having a good start to the week. It's a Monday for me. What can I say? It's not my favorite day of the week, but we're blessed to be here. We're gonna, like I said, head to the gym, do a quick leg workout, and I'll get to sort of my plan for that in a second. But I had a comment recently on my, I think it was my last video, where a guy, which I appreciate, I can't remember your name off the top of my head, but if you're watching, I appreciate you pointing this out to me. It got me more in tune with listening out for noises in my engine bay. So he was telling me there might be, you know, sounded like my flywheel, I think he said, was off. And honestly, I don't really know what sounds to look for with that, but I did get to listening to my car, and there's an issue with S55 engines. You know, if you're interested in getting an F80, F82, or even the M2 and M2 comps, like going up until 2021, I think they produced them until, before they went into the G87s. There's like this issue with this clacking sound. So it's normal to have sort of a, it's normal to have like this ticking sound. People compare the S55 engine to a sewing machine, sort of like a sound, sort of like a sewing machine. Like there's this constant fuel injector tick, which is normal. What's not normal is having like an outstanding like clacking sound, if that makes sense. So I'm a little nervous that I have this clacking sound issue. So it's not there when my car is warmed up, but that's, from what I've read, something that happens a lot. Is after the car gets warmed up, it goes away for some people. For most people, I think it goes away. The symptoms go away, like that clacking sound goes away. The ticking sound, the fuel injector tick, is normal. And so that's always there. But I'm a little nervous that I'll have to look into the, I think it's like the, or no, it's the camshaft. I guess there's this issue with the camshaft, like bolts out of factory, they come loose and they're not torqued to proper specs. And that can lead to massive, basically engine failure down the road. Your camshaft can, from my understanding, over time deposit basically metal shavings into your engine. And the only way to really know is to check your oil when you get your oil changed and see if you have like engine flake or metal flakes you know, sparkles in your engine oil. And if you do, yeah, bad news bears. So we're gonna look out for that. You know, we're gonna keep an eye on the cold start, see if that clacking sound is common, you know, moving forward. And if it's happening again and again, then I will be getting that diagnosed with my tech over at BIMTech. If you're from the Linwood area, you know about BIMTech. Shout out Ivan. So, anyways, not the best time to be dealing with potentially expensive repairs, but you gotta do what you gotta do, and we'll make it work. Not worried about it. I do have to get my coilovers installed as well, so you know, we'll be either doing that ourselves at my buddy's place, or if he wants to help me, or I'll be doing that when I get my engine checked out. So yeah, anyways, that's that. Wish me luck. I haven't had a ton of issues with this car, so I'm hoping that I get lucky again. I got lucky with my 4Runner a little while back, if you remember that. So I don't know, man. I'm nervous, but that's okay. That's just the way it is. Sometimes that's the way the cookie crumbles, some may say. But we're gonna hit legs. Gonna keep it pretty basic today. Just gonna do leg press, quad extensions, hamstring curls, hip flexor adductors, and abductors, and calf raises. My back's been feeling better, so I don't want to do anything that's gonna, you know, hurt it any further. Just gonna nurse it all the way back to 100% health if I can. And yeah. But yeah, that's that. A little nervous, honestly, about the car. If you're watching and you made it this far, I'll hop out and I'll record an audio real quick. So that ticking sounds normal. It's not normal though, and I don't hear it right now. It would be like a clacking sound coming from the camshaft on the left side. Sometimes it's easier to hear it down here. Yeah, I don't hear it. That's good at least. So we'll see. Keep you updated. Keep you updated on what we find. But anyways, let's go hit legs. Like I said, keeping it light today. Gonna go home, watch some Monday Night Football. My Cougs, WSU Cougs, got smacked this weekend by North Texas. I think it was North Texas. Oh, All right, we got bees coming in. Jesus. Yeah, smack this week. So, yeah, is what it is, man. Is what it is. But anyways, we're gonna go hit this workout. And like I said, I appreciate y'all for watching. Appreciate you supporting the channel. If you haven't already, hit that sub. You know, let me know what you want to see next. Drop a comment. We're almost to 900 subs in the fam, which is crazy. Almost to 1,000. Yeah, never thought I'd get this far, but we're going, and we're not stopping. It's fun to make videos and talk to you about the car and about life in general. So we're gonna keep it pushing. Hope you're out there just living your best life, man. Keep pushing, keep working hard, and I appreciate you watching. I'll see you in the next video. Drive safe. Peace.